After the successful lacto-fermentation of Maitake mushrooms, my friend gave me more mushrooms and a recipe for jerky made from these mushrooms. It's chewy, sweet, and spicy, and I'll show you how to make it right after this. First, I'll make the marinade. In a large bowl, add 3/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons or 2 to 4 cloves of minced garlic, 5 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 cup of apple cider. Pour into a blender and blend until well mixed and the fennel is broken up. Into a medium pot of boiling water, add a pound to pound and a half of cleaned and sliced maitake mushrooms and boil for 10 minutes. Drain the mushrooms and add to the marinade. Give them a good stir. Cover the mushrooms and let them marinate for 4 to 6 hours, stirring occasionally. Lay your mushrooms on a wire tray and put into your dehydrator. If you don't have one, you can use your oven on convection setting. Set your oven to 130 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours. Check on them periodically to judge desired texture. And now we have Maitake mushroom jerky. This picture was taken right before sampling it, and it was delicious. I hope you liked this video. Please click like and subscribe to my channel, and spread the word. Good gut health is for everyone. I'll leave you with an existential question for today. If you don't click like on this video and subscribe to my channel, do you actually exist? I don't know. We'll explore that next time.